Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to our weekly news roundup, brought to you by Ozcore, leading specialists in plastic storage and warehouse equipment. In the news this week, Halo Food Co has acquired the Australian online health and wellness business for women with young children, the Healthy Mummy, for $17 million. ASX-listed Halo was born from Ketone Dairy in November last year. It specialises in UHT dairy and dairy powders and says it has a wellness-based product capability. Halo has 2 private label contracts with Coles and late last year signed a $54 million distribution deal with Thailand New Cloud Digimart. It recorded a 14% increase in sales in the first half of this financial year. The Healthy Mummy was founded by Rhiannon Allen in 2010 and she has grown the business to a revenue of about $21 million and a normalised EBITDA of $4 million. The business targets mothers of young children wanting to lose weight and is now one of the largest online businesses doing so. Its website has 86,000 subscribers and almost 2 million Facebook followers. Its food product range is available online and through Priceline stores around the country with a 48% gross margin and provides 61% revenue. Halo CEO Danny Rotman says the rationale for the deal was to access a different product and service offering in the lucrative women's weight loss sector. And the Healthy Mummy's higher margin proprietary brand sales would transform Halo's sales mix and increase profits. The plant-based food company Fenn Foods has announced a new CEO, Tony Rawlinson. Fenn Foods recently completed a $3 million capital raise, and Rawlinson's appointment comes as the business gets set for an aggressive period of growth. Rawlinson's most recent role was as CEO of the ASX-listed juice and functional beverage company, the Food Revolution Group, and he's also worked for the Coca-Cola Company and Simplot. Fenn Foods founders Alejandro Cachino and Paolo Moro are staying on with the business. And earnings season continues to roll on. Woolworths and Coles released their half-yearly results this week, showing e-commerce is still on the rise, and apparently we all ate a lot of rock lobsters and macarons over the Christmas period after the punish that was 2021. And Omicron was as disruptive to staffing and supply as we all knew. After its brutal year last year, in particular the $109 million blowout in old stock, the A2 Milk Company's results were in line with expectations. So, not great, but still not shocking the market. Interestingly, an issue now for the infant formula players, for which China is the prize, after the collapse of the Daigou market with COVID 1.0, now they're faced with a falling birth rate. In 2020, the birth rate fell 18% and then a further 11.5% in 2021. That said, there were still more than 10 million babies born. For more details on these and many other earnings reports, head to the website. On the podcast this week, we talked to the CEO and the environmental manager for Duxton Vineyards about what it looks like to establish, run and grow a wine company and kick some very impressive sustainability goals. For all these stories and more, head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. Thanks again to Ozcore. And with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.